And as you guys can see, the Robux is going up. I told you guys this would work. Look at it, it's going all the way up. I didn't have to pay anything at all for this. Yo everyone, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'm going to show you all how to get unlimited Robux for absolutely free on Roblox. You're going to be able to do this with your phone, so all you need is an iOS or Android device, guys, and you're going to be able to generate unlimited amount of Robux. So as you can see, I'm on my account right now on Roblox on my phone, and I'm going to show you guys I have 0 Robux, and then at the end of this video, once I show you guys how to complete it and get the unlimited Robux, I'm going to show you that I have way more than 0, and it's going to be really amazing because it's all for free, guys. So the first step is you're gonna want to open up your browser on your device and go to the website rbxmilli.com. So just type that in, guys, RBX, which stands for Robux, rbxmilli.com. So it's MILLI.com, guys, rbxmilli. And once you're in the site, type in your username on Roblox. And then you're going to want to type, select how many Robux you want. So I'm just going to go with the maximum amount, and you click continue. Now just go ahead and select yes on this. I mean, just make sure it's your account, and then click add the free Robux. And now we just got to wait for this to load. But yeah, guys, this is amazing because you cannot get banned for this at all. I mean, I've tested it many times. The website is just very good at staying anonymous and keeping your account encrypted, so Roblox will not detect you. And once you get it, you're pretty much good to go. You can spend the Robux unlimited amount of times, and if you run out, like let's say you run out of the free Robux, you can come back here and do more, get more. So you're gonna see this message. Just click on verify now, and it's gonna take us to this last step, guys.